Hey there, it's Jason here from ForexPipSnager and Forex UTurn, and today is March 21st, 2012, and we're going to take a quick look-see at the setups here. But first I want to say I'm very sorry that the last 2 days I was not able to send the setups, and that's because there was something wrong with me uploading to YouTube. So if you do hear this video today, you'll hear this. If I can't upload it again today, you won't hear this video. Okay, so anyway, I haven't tried yet. So anyway, I just want to mention once again that this weird phenomenon thing here in the bottom of the indicator, okay, that's showing the red and the blue, please ignore it. I don't know why it's there. I think it has something to do with the latest build of MetaTrader. But I just want to assure all of you that the filter above it, this here, the blue, the black, the blue, you're seeing me looking at it right now with the mouse, that is still 100% correct. Okay? Okay, so let's take a look here now. So anyway, we would have had a sell trade right here, but the filter did not agree. Okay? Now, if you did a buy here, the filter definitely did agree. We broke through resistance, and that's what we want to see. But as you can see, it did not work out, and they took it the other way, so it was a buy fake. Okay? So, once we broke through this support and this support, okay, which was right here, you could have looked for rallies back up into the trigger line to sell it. So you would have sold it in here, and in here, and in here. Okay? Here it was also a buy fake, okay, but it did a perfect double bottom, then a buy fake, but the filter did not get you long, as you can see. So there was no trade to buy there. And by the time that this happened, it was near the end of our trading time, so there was no trade here. Okay, so that's it for the Euro 5 minute. Let's take a quick look at the 1 minute, and we'll check that out. Okay, we'll take the auto scroll off, and we'll look back right here. Okay, so there was nothing, no filter here at all. There was no trades. By the time the filter kicked in here, it was right here. Let's see. Yeah, so here it broke through the support, came back up. Your entry would have been right there. There's 17 pips to the bottom in about 12 minutes. So you made your trade right there and won. That was right on basically the first 15 minutes of the open of the UK session. Very nice scalp trade. Usually when scalping, you usually look for one nice trade, two, at the most. 3, you're getting risky. You could give it all back. So that was a beautiful trade right there. You would have got your 10 pips for sure. Okay, Euro is moving lower now. We're at 78 now. Okay, so anyway, let's now take a look at the pound. Now the pound, yeah, it basically gave a buy trade right here. Hold on. Okay, we had resistance here. Yeah, it bounced off resistance. Yeah. Our trade would have been here to enter. It didn't happen. Shot up quickly. There was no trade there. Then this must have been the news. Yeah, 12:30. The news took it down. Yeah, it wasn't very good to trade here at all, as you can see. If you did sell some dips into the trigger and trend line afterwards, you could have scalped a few pips on the way down. That's about it. Okay. Let's take a look at the Swiss. Swiss is the exact opposite as the Euro now. They've definitely tagged these two markets together again, which is amazing. They weren't tagged together for years and years, but they used to be identical opposites back in the good old days when I first started trading Forex in 2005 to around late 2008. Maybe even into 2009, but I don't think so. I think they changed it. It was changed back then. So anyway, there was no buying here. The filter did not agree. Then there was the sell fake, just like there was the buy fake on the Euro right here. Broke through support, came back up. You would have sold it here, and it went bad, just like it went bad on the Euro, but the opposite, okay? Then once we broke through, broke through resistance, we broke through support on the Euro, we could look for dips to buy, and on the Euro we're looking for rallies to sell. It's the exact same opposite. Put them up beside each other, ladies and gentlemen. You'll look at each bar, and they're not going to be exactly pip for pip, but bar for bar, they're going to look identical, how one's going up and the other one's going down. It's just, they've tagged it together again. I tell you, I spot it to a T. It's been like this for, I don't know, about a month now. So, like I told you before, if you're selling the euro, look to buy the Swiss. If you're looking, you know, to buy the euro, sell the Swiss. That's all there is to it. Just like the good old days. Okay, so let's take a look now at Forex UTurn. Okay, not so good. So there was no trading here. Okay, there was a W here to buy here at the end of the day. Bounced off resistance here, came back down. Went up, didn't go very high. This here is not a trade to sell. It's not a perfect M formation. And now the pound, same with the pound. This year, there's no perfect M formation, or W formation, or M formation. The last one was over here to sell it, and the best one here was to buy it, was over here. So there was no trading today on either the euro or the pound. It was very sloppy and choppy. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.